Hey everybody, happy February, happy 2026. I apologize for not getting a newsletter out in January. It was a very, very busy month for me, but I digress. Want to wish you a happy new year in 2026. I hope you are all adjusting well to the new year and are excited about what 2026, the year of the horse, is going to bring for all of us. So wanted to just share a little bit of a recap, share some market insight, and just give you an overall picture of what I'm seeing and what I'm going to be focused on in 2026 throughout this year. So as far as real estate goes, I've been saying it for a long time. Rates are still trending down slowly. They trend down a little bit, then they get stuck, then they bump up a little bit, then they trend down a little bit, they get stuck, and they bend up. I've literally been saying this for years now. So my advice then, you still have to do the basic things. Price it right if you're a seller. Be patient. If a buyer, if you can get in right now, get in right now. I do think things are going to warm up. There's so much pent up demand that people have just been sitting on the sidelines for years now, literally, that I do think as far as interest rates, if they continue to trend down closer to the low sixes, we will see a huge influx of buyers. I don't know when that's going to happen, if so, but we do typically see an uptick in the spring. So if you want to hold off a little bit, if you need to sell but aren't in a huge rush, I'd probably wait until the spring and just hit a little bit better selling market. But we are seeing a little bit better movement. As far as me for 2025, I've actually taken quite a bit of leave, or a sabbatical, I've called it, with residential real estate, and have been really focusing on my husband and I's mortgage note investment business. So we spent all of 2025, our first year in business together, helping people invest in mortgage notes. So we have found so many people who love the thought of investing in real estate, but really hate being landlords. They've been landlords in the past and have been really screwed over by bad tenants, by tough landlord laws, by negative cash flow damage, all of the headaches that come with a rental. But they don't really want to be in the stock market. My husband and I created a business model to help people buy mortgage notes. And so you're buying somebody's mortgage and they are paying you their monthly mortgage payment. And so you're regaining your capital by the principal payment portion of their monthly payment, but you're also gaining cash flow from the interest rate. And these are typically high interest rates, anywhere from 8 to 12% interest rate on these notes. And so people are seeing great returns on their money. And so we're finding these investors who are tired of being landlords and want to invest in real estate, but don't want the late night phone calls. That's really been our bread and butter. It's been a really exciting year. We sold 23 mortgage notes to a handful of different investors who are collectively cash flowing over $17,000 a month in collecting monthly mortgage payments. They're super happy. Their average interest rate between those 23 mortgage notes is 8.5% return on their money. And our investors are happy. They're performing notes. It's mailbox money. It's showing up every month, and they aren't having to deal with the hassles of a broken water heater or vacancy or you name it, number of headaches that come along with owning a rental. So we've really focused on that in 2025 and are full steam ahead in 2026. So now that we have a year under our belt, I'm going to continue to focus on that. I'm doing a little bit of residential real estate, but not a lot, because we're really transitioning to help focus on investors who want to cash flow and be diversified, and see a great return on their money and still be in real estate, but not have the headache of being a landlord. So that's really what we've been involved in over this last year. We had a great first year, looking really forward to 2026. So a lot of my videos coming out for 2026 are going to be geared more towards the investment side of things and less about what's happening in the market, but more about what the cash flow looks like, what this process looks like. I also have a great series on my Instagram, Nicole Johnson Realtor, on Instagram, that has, I've done dozens and dozens and dozens of videos to share more information. But if this sounds like something you're interested in, we've put together a packet of information. I'd love to share it with you. Would love to reach out if you have some investment goals in 2026 and know that it's really hard to find a cash flowing property, especially in Colorado, reach out to us. Honestly, mortgage notes might be a really great fit for you. So just wanted to share kind of where I'm segueing into more fully as we go throughout 2026, and I can't wait to share more of that information with you as well. So I hope you are all doing well. I hope 2026 brings you nothing but joy and love and peace in our community. So take care, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.